Good afternoon, our dear listeners of Go Negosyo para Umasenso program here at DZWW. Here's good news for you guys. The Department of Trade and Industry has designed a perfect program called the Small and Medium Enterprise or SME Roving Academy, Gabay Negosyo sa Pag-asenso, which is being implemented nationwide by the DTI. To know more about the program, we have here with us our guest, Ms. Nildy Catalan, Senior Trade and Industry Development Specialist of the Program Development and Coordination Division of the Bureau of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprise. In short, BIMSMED. Ayan. Ah, BIMSMED is one of the bureaus of the Departments of Trade and Industry. Ma'am Nildy, welcome to our Go Negosyo para Umasenso program. We're very glad to have you on air with us. We have heard about the program of the government which is called SME Roving Academy. Can you tell us about it since we have many listeners out there who are interested to know about the program?
Good afternoon. The SME Roving Academy is a continuous learning program for the development of micro, small, and medium enterprises to become competitive in the domestic and international markets. The Academy is an on-site learning institute for SMEs which integrates business development services at the local and national levels. Business modules in the early stages of an enterprise journey in starting, growing, and exporting will be developed tailor-fitted to the requirements of local entrepreneurs.
Maganda ang layunin ng SME Roving Academy na tsak na makakatulong sa ating mga SMEs. By the way, what is the objective of the program and what are the purpose of these business modules?
The objective of this program is to help our SMEs become more competitive by engaging and enrolling them in the 7-stage development process. These accelerated training modules are designed to assist entrepreneurs in making meaningful progress towards business success and sustained business growth.
You mentioned about the 7-stage development process. Please tell us more about it.
SMEs will be enrolled in a certain stage and they will be able to access a range of assistance and services from both government and the private sector. On the part of DTI, we are currently extending trainings, consultancy, and market promotion so they will be able to graduate to the next level. The 7-stage development process are stage 1 is the startup and capability building stage. Stage 2 is the market awareness stage. Stage 3 is market readiness stage. Stage 4 is export readiness stage. Stage 5 is export market entry stage. And 6 is export sustainability stage, while stage 7 is export expansion stage.
Okay, thank you. Will you please tell us who will benefit from this program?
SME Roving Academy is a management training program that would benefit the would-be entrepreneurs, SME owners, and managers of micro, small, and medium-sized businesses.
Are there strategies being adopted by the Department of Trade and Industry in the implementation of this SME Roving Academy? If so, may you share it with us and to our dear listeners about these strategies?
Yes, there are strategies being adopted by the DTI in the implementation of the SME Roving Academy. We integrate the business development services for SMEs at the national and local level. Second, we establish the provincial, regional, and national entrepreneurship development networks. And third, we manage an inclusive promotion program.
Okay, thank you. Can you also tell us who are the partner agencies involved in the project?
In helping these MSMEs develop to this program, the DTI is collaborating with local government units, chambers, academe, finance institutions, trade and industry associations, other government agencies, and non-government organizations.
For the information of our listeners, particularly for those who are interested to avail of the SME Roving Academy services, can you tell us how can one be part of the program, or are there mechanics of participation in availing the services?
Yes, to be part of the SME Roving Academy program of DTI, participants must register with the nearest DTI provincial office, the SME center of the DTI provincial office. Uh, an SME counselor with assistance from an expert will diagnose the needs of the participants. Third, the SME counselor with assistance from an expert will provide the entrepreneur would be entrepreneur general advice on the training that he/she may need. The SME counselor, in coordination with the DTI or with the network partners, will inform the entrepreneur would be entrepreneur when and where he or she may be assisted. SME counselor will track adaptation by the entrepreneur of the business development services provided. And lastly, the SME counselor will determine if the entrepreneur needs additional services within the current stage or may be endorsed to the next stage.
Oh, I see. So, what are the features of this program?
There are 6 features under the SME Roving Academy program. First is setting up an academy network.
And what do you mean by setting up an academy network? Who are involved aside from DTI?
Agencies providing business development services have been identified as network partners in designing the curricula, programs that will help develop the management capabilities of SMEs. The potential network partners include the LGUs or the local government units, chambers of commerce, academe, financial institutions, trade and industry associations, other government and non-government organizations.
Can you tell us the other features of the program?
Second feature is bringing the training to local SMEs in all regions or provinces.
Bringing the training to local SMEs in all regions and provinces. Can you tell us more about it? How is it being done?
Training programs will move from national to the regions and to every province in the country. The Academy Network will drive business growth by bringing the training to SMEs in the region or provinces, targeting areas with strong industry clusters or those which have identified their SME training needs.
Are there more?
Yes, the third feature is implementing applied learning sessions in various stages.
What does it mean by implementing applied learning sessions in various stages? How will it be done?
Learning sessions will be made practical, experiential, and attuned to the current challenges faced by SME participants. To facilitate learning and implementation of interventions, plan of action, the business modules will be designed from the perspective of an owner or a middle manager in an SME.
That's very interesting to know. And what else?
The fourth is expanding business growth.
Expanding business growth, all the more very interesting. Please tell us more about this.
This would mean that the Academy, through the network partners, will drive business performance in the region or province by integrating real-life lessons and challenges faced by SMEs in starting, growing, and exporting. The Academy has identified 4 critical stages of an enterprise pathway to business growth or of eventually becoming a ready exporter. The program has pre-identified specific interventions necessary to prepare an entrepreneur into entering the domestic and the international markets. The entrepreneur does not have to undergo the step-by-step process by this Academy's platform of interventions. Hopes to provide the program managers, business counselor guidance and hints on how to diagnose the readiness of the enterprise in progressing to higher levels of government interventions.
Oh, is there a firm level business counseling or consultation?
Yes, indeed, the fifth feature is one-on-one business counseling by trained SME counselors. The SME Roving Academy will include business coaching by SME counselors trained recently under the Shindan program.
How can one avail of this?
Participants may visit an SME counselor assigned at the DTI SME Center located in each province to seek further business guidance. Most DTI SME counselors are capable of providing basic information to SMEs on how to start a business and to which agencies SMEs can be referred to for their specific needs.
May we know also when was the program launched by DTI, and may we know updates on the program since it's being implemented, I think last year, and how many have already benefited from the program all over the country?
In carrying out its SME Roving Academy program in the country's 16 regions last year, the Department of Trade and Industry recorded 16,790 participants from 167 sessions conducted nationwide. After, after launching the SME Roving Academy program in June 2013, we have synchronized its introduction nationwide to provide a continuous learning program for the development of MSMEs and make them more competitive in the local and foreign markets. Almost 40% of the participants for this SME Roving Academy learning sessions were aspiring entrepreneurs. Out of the total participants nationwide, 6,693 were budding entrepreneurs and 10,097 entrepreneurs with existing businesses.
So that's a lot. So what are the kind of trainings provided by DTI under this program?
The DTI provided training topics such as entrepreneurship, business opportunities and skills training, and business registration for up and coming entrepreneurs. For entrepreneurs with existing businesses, it provided topics such as managerial skills training, financial management, marketing management, costing and pricing, technology application, productivity improvement, production management, basics of exporting, trade fair participation, market intelligence, product development, packaging and labeling, website development, and visual merchandising.
That's a very engaging and informative discussion with you, Ma'am Yogi. We do appreciate very much your presence and sharing of information and air for our millions of listeners here at the Go Negosyo para Umasenso program of BZMW. Do you have a parting word for our dear listeners, especially the entrepreneurs and the aspiring ones?
For 2014, we will continue to pursue this program, not just to boost the competitiveness of MSMEs nationwide, but also to help them generate employment in the countryside and contribute to the country's gross domestic product. We encourage those interested to avail the SME Roving Academy services to go to the nearest DTI regional or provincial office for assistance. Thank you.